Now friends, let's talk about question number 40. We have been given log base 7 raised to the power half into x plus log base 7 raised to the 1 by 3 x plus log 7 raised to the power 1 by 4 into x plus, near 20 terms we have, which is 460. So if I talk about this part, log of base 7 raised to the power half x, okay, and this is nothing but we have log x divided by, this can be written as log of 7 raised to the power half, or we can write it as log x divided by half. This is log 7 we can write, or we can write it as twice of log x divided by log 7. Can you see that? This is what we have. Now this can be written as log base 7, and this is x square we have. So that means the first term is, if you see the first term here, right, the first term is coming out to be what? We have log base 7x square, log base 7x square, right? Similarly, we can write log base 7 x cube. Similarly, we can write log base 7, and this is x raised to the power 21, which is equal to 460 we have, right? Now, if I talk about this log property, so this can be written as log base 7, and this is x square into x cube. This is x raised to the power 21 is equal to 460 we have, right? So this comes out to be how much? We have log base 7, and this is again x raised to the power. We can write 2 plus 3 plus up to 21 terms, which is 460, right? So if you see here, what can be the calculation we can have? Now, if I talk about this form, because we have to find x here, now you have to solve this one, right? When you say how to solve this one, that means we have 2, 3 up to 21 is an AP. So if it is an AP, that means we need to use the sum of the first n terms of an AP. We use AP and we get the value of x here. So x is coming out to be 7 square, and this is going to be the option number 1, which is the correct one. So AP has been used, and you just get the value of x here, right? Now friends, let's talk about question number 15. This is a system of linear equation, and if you can see here 0, 0, 0, so this is a homogeneous equation we have, and it has a non-zero solution. So yes, if it has a non-zero solution, that means the determinant of A is going to be 0. So if I just substitute this here, what we have been given 1, this is 1, this is 3 we have, then we have 1, we have 3, we have k square, then we have been given 3 here, and this is 1 and this is 3, which is equal to 0. And we just expand the determinant, we get k is equal to plus minus 3. So what we can do, we can just substitute the value of k square here, because k is plus minus 3, so it is going to be 9. Then we get the equation as x plus y, right? X plus y plus 3z is equal to 0. This is equation number 1 we have. And also we have x plus 3y k square. So k is going to be 3 here, plus minus 3. If I make it 9z, and this is going to be 0, this is equation number 2 we can take. And also you can see here it has been given 3x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0. This is third equation. Now we need to understand what we can do here. So a bit of algebraic operation is there. What you can do, you can take 1 minus 2 here, right? You can just have a look at this part. We get y upon z then, which is equal to minus 3. If I talk about 1 minus 3, we get x is equal to 0. So we can just substitute the values here. right? So x plus y by z, that means x is going to be 0 and y by z is -3. So 0 minus 3, fourth option is the correct one we have. Now friends, let's talk about question number 16. You can see here it has been given L is equal to sine square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8 and cos square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. And this is L and M which is given to us. Now we have to find L, M, L. So these are the values which are there and we need to find it out and we need to check it out. So let's do one thing. Let's make it L plus M. First of all, let's take it L plus M, right? L plus M means we are talking about this to be sine square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1. And this is minus 2 sine square pi by 8, right? So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, which is nothing but we have cos 2 times, right? And this is going to be pi by 8. Got it? And this is going to be how much? This is nothing but we have pi by 4, which is 1 upon root 2 we can write, isn't it? Now, what about the next one? So next one is L minus M. L minus M means, you can see, this will be cancelled with this part. So we're left out with sine square pi by 16. Then we have been given minus cos square pi by 16, right? Now what we can do, we can take minus common and this can be written as cos square pi by 16 and this is minus of sine square pi by 16 we have, right? And this is what we have. We have been given minus of cos 2 times pi by 16 we have, right? So this is cancelled. So we're left out with minus cos pi by 8 we have. Now what we can do is, we just add these two equations, L plus M and L minus M. If we add it, then MM will be cancelled, we get the value of L, or we can just subtract first and the second one, that is L plus M minus of L minus M, then we find the value of M here. So this is the way you can just do it. And if you see here, so M will be the 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. The second option will be the correct one.